was a very good match that Patrick played. Could have gone either way. I'm just glad that God was able to give him the victory today. On another day, it could have easily been his game.
Coming in, what was your game plan you felt? What will be your approach for this one?
Well, I did get to see him play his semi-final match a little bit, and I realized he was a left-hander. My intention was to still test out his backhand, try to keep him off the forehand.
I think it was a hard-fought final, a close game. There were some close margins. Congrats to Taylor. I think he played the better tennis today, and it's definitely a learning experience for me. But definitely the motivation will be there to come back and go one better the next time around.